Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you the SCT Sampler for November. May you have a day filled with joy and warm wishes. Sorry, you can hear in my voice, I feel like I'm coming down with something. I feel like I'm losing my voice. So spellbinders, paper arts, lawn fawn pattern papers, hero art stamps, and the SCT die. So I do really love the theme of the die. That's really nice. It comes with a magnetic plate too. So this month I really do like this theme for the die. Wow. That's nice because it could be birthday wishes, it could be best wishes, it could be Christmas wishes. So that's a really versatile die, and I really love that they gave us this magnet because then I can add another word on there as well. So that's great. And then inside the kit, these are beautiful stamps. So that is very Christmas themed. Jingle bells deck the halls. Oh, what fun and happy. That's nice. What a cute stamp set. Oh, what fun. Skating by to say hello. Oh, that's really cute. It's too bad I don't do a lot of stamping because that's a really cute set. I really like that. Okay, and then the papers can be distinguished. So I'm guessing this is lawn fawn and this is spell binders. So the lawn fawn papers are all the same. They're similar, sort of sweater patterned paper in multiple colors. And then the backs are all the same. So a versatile, nice sort of base that would be a neutral background. And then they do coordinate well with this, what I'm guessing is the Spellbinders Winter Wonderland Collection pattern papers. And they're very thin papers, so you would have to basically use these two things in coordination. Like you could make one of these your base and then add this pattern paper on top, because this feels like a photocopy weight paper. It's very, very thin, extremely thin paper. So cute enough. Feels a little light this month, I have to say. There's not a lot. If I had more ephemera with it, I would be happy. The ephemera that they did send is quite cute. I really like that Christmas tree and that holidays, like that's pretty. 'Tis the season, that's very nice also. But yeah, it's pretty light in what you can make in terms of putting projects together, because it just feels like some elements are missing. They usually have maybe some enamel dots, maybe some fun little 3D elements like puffy stickers, or like, I mean, they do have these puffy stickers, but interesting. I mean, you could definitely make some cards with this, and like I said, if you utilize the stamps more, it would be more of a useful kit for me. But because I don't stamp a lot, yeah, I'm not feeling super motivated with this collection. It's cute enough. I'm happy with the wishes. Anyway, this is an annual subscription. I think it costs about $17 with shipping Canadian to have this to my door. $16, $17. Do I feel like I got $17 worth? No, I don't. For me. What do you think? Do you like this kit? Sometimes there's really good value in the kits for me. And other times, well, this is actually maybe the first time I felt sort of underwhelmed most of the time I'm usually pretty happy with the kits. But what do you think? What do you think of this kit in comparison to previous ones? Do you get the sampler? And what's your favorite kit been? I'm trying to think of which my favorite one has been. I haven't even used the fall one from last time, but I did just participate in the Crop and Create Delivered, which was wonderful, and I've already signed up for the next spring event. I'll be posting some pictures of my creations of what I have made from that event. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can stay tuned and see everything that I've created from that weekend. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.